Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Hey, what's up viewers and subscribers? This is the Skilla, you see it. Now I have a video to show you of two females in some form of altercation, as I say, and this actually take place in Florida. That's Florida, United States, where one female tried to take her car and run it over another female. You see it? You know, but remember now, before I show you this video, I have to make sure that I want to know, because not everyone can really take certain sensitive things. As I say, the following video I'm going to show you right about now, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe. Viewers and subscribers, I want to take a good look on this setting of this video I said to me. You see me I say, because really and truly, you know, sometimes we can't just quick to jump and say, yo, this person wrong or that person wrong. You see? But I want to look on this with me now. See? This woman, the one that was sitting in the car all along, the one that tried to use the car to run over the other woman. You see me? You can see that that lady, right, was trying to go about her own business. You see it? And then the other one used the car and blocked the road on her. You see me I say? You can look at it, you know. You see me? And to all everything set where the whole community is out, it look like it's some form of protest. You see me? Because really, you know, let me say it from now, this is pure speculations, you know. You understand? I'm gonna bring this to you, my viewers, because this hits social media and a lot of questions are asked about it right about now. You see me? But there is evidence pointed out in this that can show you certain things whether that go on. You see me? Which one of them is wrong? You see me? I mean, know everybody and many persons are going to point out and say, yo, the one that kicked the other lady's car is wrong. You see it? Because it's like she's blocking the road and she's kicking the car and all these things. You see it? Two wrong still don't make a right. You see it? And I mean, me agree said the other lady was kicking this lady's car, but still the other lady could have put herself in a lot of problems. You see me? The fact that she used her car to try and hurt the other woman, she could have put herself in problem. You get me? I mean, you see what happened a while ago? The other lady wasn't even fully in the car while she attempted to do something like that. You see me? Sometimes we intend to make anger get the best of us, but there is a reason why we can't just jump to conclusions like that. You see me? You see, sometimes social media intends to let things look away, and there's so much time I say that. You see me? I mean, you don't know what happened before the video starts. You see me? I say before they start recording. You see me? You don't know what could have happened before they start recording. You see it? Because there's in my belief, in my feeling, I don't see where somebody can just jump up and start kick somebody's car just so for nothing like that. Unless them is a mad person. I don't see that. You see me? So that's the reason why I am not going to just get up and say, yo, that's somebody they're wrong. You know? Remember, there is more before the video start recording. That's all I'm saying, you see? Alright? But anyways, me just left this for you, my viewers, to look at it and tell me what you think. You see me I say? And the last thing my life I say is, why make everybody can just live good? You understand? Alright, but anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave on the comments and let me know what you think, and always read the comments for updates on the videos. Alright, because sometimes people leave some interesting comments that are actually true and can solve certain cases. You see me I say? My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself. You see it?